Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Audi Q3. First of all, we have to make sure Bluetooth is switched on, like so. Now, then again, you can either go to menu or telephone. If we just click telephone there, you've got Bluetooth, discoverability, audio player, find Bluetooth devices. So we'll scroll down to find Bluetooth devices, click. Please check that Bluetooth is activated on your mobile phone and discoverability is switched on. So continue here. That's one of my cameras. In fact, it's the camera that you're viewing this on, that it's picked up via Bluetooth. But it's thinking about it here. It's looking for the phone. It may take a little while because sometimes I confuse it because I've just deleted it off this mobile in order to show you how to pair it. So there you go, Barry's iPhone 11. So we'll click on that, and it's got hands-free and audio player. Well, hands-free. Here we go, pair, Bluetooth pairing request, 356572. Does it match? Yes, it does. So click pair there and click yes there. Do you want your contacts and favorites to sync? You will. I won't be using the car for the moment anyway. And there we go, Audi MMI 3789 connected. So that's it. That's how you connect your phone.